So I'm now here sa factory ng Unipac. Hindi nila alam na magvi-visit ako today. Oh my gosh, may napakagandang tao dito. Oh my God, hindi ako makamove on. Bakit ang payat mo dyan? Oh my gosh, nagulat. Of course, nagulat ka? Pwede ba akong pumasok?
Sure, pwede.
Ay, pwede? So guys, kung ako mukhang doctor, slot-lot mukhang Hamlin. So, okay, may foot massage pa tayo. So, ikaw, ilan ang nakakain mo?
Hindi ko po.
Ay, guys, pag chop, wala nang laman, yung buo. Parang gusto ko siyang mag-slide sa loob. Ang sarap. Ready to crack my own. Oh, ay! Ate, alam mo ba kung nasan yung dalawa kong ginawa? Disclaimer, the sole purpose of this video is purely for entertainment. Of course, no bashing. It's for fun. Of course. Hello guys! Welcome back to my vlog. Well, today is chill day today and I just came from lunch with friends. Kaya ang outfit, medyo... Ah, lot, what's this?
Yan po yun, ma'am, yung mackerel sandwich na gusto niyo po.
Ang Unipac mackerel sandwich?
Opo, ma'am.
Ay, naku, lot. Gustong-gusto ko to. Tamang-tama, lot. Di pa ako nagde-dessert, so very good ka. Lot. Sobrang very good ang mackerel sandwich mo. Guys, you know, hindi ako makapaniwala. Sobrang sarap. And I have to know why. I cannot believe. Wait. Lot, anong gagawin ko today?
Wala naman po, ma'am.
So, wala tayong lakad?
Wala po.
Wes, call Francis. Lot, may pupuntahan tayo today.
Okay po, ma'am. Run away!
Guys, run away? Okay, see you guys later. Hindi ko naintindihan si Lot. Let's go, Lot! Oh my gosh. So, guys, I'm here now kasi guys, sarap na sarap ako and I wanna know. So guys, since wala naman akong gagawin today, so I'm now here sa factory ng Unipac. And guys, hindi nila alam na magvi-visit ako today. So iso-surprise ko sila. So, Unipac family, I'm so sorry. Bigla ako nandito. Sana ready kayo. And look guys, look. Ang dami. Nako, parang later, gusto ko mag-uwi later ng isang pallet. Lot, mag-uwi tayo ng isang ganito, ha? Pakisabi kay Sir Jasper, ha? And speaking of Jasper, teka, hanapin natin. Where's Jasper? Let's look for him. Guard, nasan si Jasper? There. Sige, okay. Wow, hi! Nasaan ba si Jasper? Oh my gosh, may napakagandang tao dito. Guys, si Self. Oh my God, ang ganda. Oh my God, hindi ako makamove on. Bakit ang payat mo dyan? Parang ngayon, parang hindi na. Ang ganda ng face. Sige, si Jasper. Oh, Jasper! Oh my gosh, nagulat. Of course, nagulat ka? Jasper, I'm here kasi gusto kong tingnan yung factory nyo. Kasi kanina, while I was eating my sandwich, sobrang sarap. And now, gusto ko malaman, bakit masarap?
Sige, you're welcome naman. We're happy,
I make sure. Ready ba kayo? Naipasyal ako
ready
na mag-tour. Teka, gusto ko mag-factory tour.
Sige.
Sige. Let's go.
Tayo sa
Sige, okay. Meron na namang Self. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Lot. Ito yung gusto mo. Sabi niya, ma'am, papabili ako nito. Diba ito? Oh my God, kasi sa Nabotas, laging may ganyan. Sorry, Jasper, ha? Naku, my gosh, nakikigulo ako dito. And, of course, makikikain. Actually, yan ang hinahanap ni Lot kanina. Teka, by the way, bakit ang daming mga Self there?
Actually, may meeting kami sa marketing ngayon and eto merienda namin.
Oh my gosh, sorry ha, makikikain kami.
Since nandito na rin kayo, ikaw na lang siguro mag-approve. Yung okay.
Ay nako, wala no-brainer yan. Parang lahat approve. So, ikalat yun na sa stores.
Ay, andyan na pala si Alvin, tama.
Hi Alvin! Oh my gosh, okay. So, magjo-join siya ng meeting.
Oo, may meeting kami.
Ay, since nandito na kayong dalawa, okay, interviewin ko na kayo.
Si Alvin yung head namin for operations.
Oh, for operations. Okay. Paano nag-start ang Unipac?
Start kami around 1985 pa. So, actually, 40th
40th year namin this year.
Wow!
Started as a toll manufacturing before we went into our own brands.
Oh, what's
So,
toll manufacturing?
they contract us to produce their brands. So doon kami nag-umpisa before nag-decide kami na magkaroon ng sariling brand namin.
Wow, 40 years ago.
40 years ago yun.
So, ano pinakaunang product nyo?
Mackerel.
Mackerel talaga.
So yun talaga yung pinaka-core competence namin. 40 years na namin ginagawa siya. So specialty na namin yung mackerel.
Kaya naman pala super sarap. Expert na sila. 40 years na nilang ginagawa this mackerel.
That's why we also are innovating right now. Meron kaming ni-introduce na mackerel flakes. The only one in the market right now.
Bakit walang flakes na mackerel sa market?
Ibang brands wala.
Paano yun naisip na gumawa ng mackerel flakes?
As the years progress, we decided na we need excitement sa category ng mackerel. So we decided to innovate. Kasi ang mga Gen Z ngayon, gusto nila on the go lagi, di ba?
Yes! So ready na, no?
Ready to eat na
Ready
agad.
to eat. So why mackerel flakes ang naisip nyo? Not sardines flakes or squid flakes?
Mackerel kasi mas healthy siya eh. Mas mataas yung content niya ng omega-3 fatty acids.
Oh!
Tapos yung mackerel namin, since imported siya from Japan and Korea, nafi-fish siya sa very cold waters.
Ang social from Korea and Japan. Anyway, guys, ang taray, kitang-kita here ang production from the office while having lunch. Okay, pwede pa akong pumasok?
Sure, pwede.
Ay, pwede?
Oo,
Pero
pwede.
should I wear my cap?
Mag-change outfit muna tayo.
Mag-change
Kasi
outfit.
very, very strict kami sa production
Dapat
namin.
naman, hindi ako magko-complain. So, let's go! Lot, scalpel. Lot, kutsara to. Pero okay, pwede na rin. Guys, success ang operation. What? Sarap talaga. Unipack mackerel. Anyway, guys, ready na ako mag-tour kasi naka-full gear na ako. So, let's go, guys. Lot. Ano itsura mo dyan? Patingin. Hi! So, guys, kung ako mukhang doctor, si Lot mukhang Hamlin. So, guys, talagang naging reality ng pagiging Hamlin niya. Type mo ba yung outfit mo, Lot?
Opo, ma'am.
So, let's go! Why?
Kailangan natin tanggalin ito, baka
Ano?
sa package.
Ay, nako, okay. Baka masama sa lata. Nako, ang swerte na makakakain. Okay, tago mo na. Okay, nasa ng gloves? Later pa. O, sige, let's go.
Excuse me, ma'am, bawal po ang jewelry.
Ha? Pati earrings pa bawal?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh my gosh. Lot, bawal ang jewelry. Okay. Lot. Pati ang lot. Ang jewelry bawal. Pati ito, yung jewelry ni lot, pwede? No, bawal. Sobrang bagay, di ba? Ayan mo na, okay na yan. Okay na. Ayan mo na mahulog. Let's go. So, okay, anong room to?
Dito yung natin, at yung foot baths, yung exchanging room ng mga employees natin.
So, okay, may foot massage pa tayo. No, we will, of course, very clean. Wow! Okay, so guys, parang gusto ko mag-swimming na lang. Mag-factory tour. Okay, so here. Wow! So guys, ayan o, look. Everyday daw to. My God, guys, bago pala ako maging factory worker dito, mga 1 hour bago ako makapasok sa production. So, everyday, malilate lang ako, guys. So, dapat 4 a.m. pumapasok na ako. So, okay. Oh my God, look. Sobrang linis here. And wow, look at the production.
Dito yung towing area natin, yung mga frozen mackerel natin.
Wow.
Dito natin tinoto before dalhin sa cutting area.
So, ang mackerel nyo everyday may supply ganito?
Yes, oo.
Wow! And how many cans can you produce?
In a day, around mga 50 to 60 tons ng mackerel during peak season. Tons, yes.
Wow! 60 tons.
50 tons to 60 tons.
Tons.
Well, dito yung sa mackerel flakes natin, since bagong line siya, dito natin.
Oh, ito yung
Yes, minamanual
manual.
picking, cleaning, gano'n.
Oh, so hindi machine, manual. The way they, the flakes.
Yeah.
Oh, 50 to 60 tons a day ang napoproduce nila.
Tapos 100% yan, walang halong extender.
No extender.
Pure mackerel.
Pure, ito yun.
Yeah, ang sarap na. Kaya later ko continue ko yung pag-eat ko ng mackerel. Ang sarap. So ate, ilang mackerel ang nagagawa mo everyday?
Hindi na mabilang kung ilan po nung nagagawa.
Hindi mabilang. How do you call hindi mabilang? Unlimited. Wow, hundreds of thousands every day, ah. Not machine, ah, manually. So, pwede na itong kainin ng ganito?
Yes po.
So, ikaw, ilan na nakakain mo?
Hindi ko po.
Hindi daw pwede kainin. Pero guys, kung ako yun, nag-work dito, siguro everyday nakaka-1 kilo ko. Sigurado ka, kainin ko yan. Ang sarap kaya. So, doon din ako. And here naman yung dissecting section. So, what's next?
Cutting. So may cutting area.
Cutting area.
So during peak season namin, as in puro fish dito.
Puro fish. Wow.
That's why we have
So, peak season is where?
during November to June.
Oh.
So dito yung kinakat yung mga fresh natin na makamaka.
So, ito yung cutting area. So, ano to?
Yan yung sa natural oil natin.
Ah, yung oil?
Oo, yung natural, yung buo.
Oh,
buo.
yung buo. Ah, yung buo. This is the one that's buo. Wow! Tanggal na yung mga ng loob. Oh, look oh. Isang ganyan lang, tanggal na. Look oh. Ang galing. Ang linis na ah. Guys, pag na-chop, tanggal na yung buong katawan. Buong laman, buong. Guys, pag chop, wala nang laman yung buo. So fast! Isang light cut lang, oh. Ang galing, oh. Parang gusto ko matutunan yan, yung tatanggalin lahat ng laman ng loob.
So let's proceed. After natin ng cutting area dito, we proceed naman sa brining and fish washing. Kasi right now, we are producing 2 variants, yung flakes in oil and the natural oil.
Not all flakes in oil and natural oil.
So sa mga sardines line namin, we're using this cutting machine pag may sardines. Kasi right now, walang sardines eh. Medyo bad weather, yung catch medyo full catch. Kaya ang mackerel kasi frozen, so anytime nakaka-produce naman kami kung may stocks.
Okay, frozen kasi ang sardines no.
Fresh talaga. Local catch. So after sa fish washing, proceed tayo sa filling line.
So next is filling line. Wow, okay. Wow. Peeling, not peeling ng skin. Ako naman, I said kanina, peeling. Hindi pala, peeling line. Kala ko pang peel. It's peeling. So decision nila anong part ng katawan ang ilalagay there.
Tansyado na nila yung combination.
Oh, okay. They know all the combinations of the body of the fish. Kinikilo?
Wini-weigh nila kasi kailangan tamang-tama yung timbang, hindi pwedeng kulang,
So,
pwedeng sumobra.
tansyado na talaga.
Then we go sa exhaust box after nito, pre-cooking.
Here, and then here, pre-cooking. So, ang init nito, guys. Parang gusto ko siyang mag-slide sa loob. Ang sarap! Guys, parang gusto ko pumasok sa loob, pero I don't want to get burned. Oh my God, mainit to.
Dapat doon.
Mainit to?
After nito.
Wala na akong mausap, guys. Mainit ba yun?
Yes. Around 95, no? 95.
Okay.
95 to 100.
95 po, ayoko. Guys, kasi ang feeling ko, pagpasok ko doon, mag-facial yung buong body ko. Pero maka-block na ako. Sinot lang kaya, ilagay natin sa loob. Sinot mo.
Dito naman yung line natin for flakes natin.
So okay, ito yung flakes in oil. Oh, wow. Hindi machine, no?
Okay, manual
It's
filling.
manual. And then, kinikilo, pwedeng sobra, bawal kulang. Not for real. Real na real. Ang sarap. Ito yung kinain ko kanina nung nag-operate ako sa OR. Ang sarap, guys. Ito-continue ko yung pagkain later. So, okay, what's next? After canning,
After filling ng mackerel meat natin, papasok sa exhaust box, then after na exhaust box pre-cooking, sauce natin, tatakpan din
so may
natin.
pre-cooking ulit.
Meron ulit.
Pre-cooking again, my God. And then yung
Sauce. Then takip ang lata.
okay, there.
Then after that, cooking na ulit. Done.
Cooking ulit. Wow! Ang daming process. So, okay, pwede bang ilagay ko si Lokbak sa loob? So, I want to do my own can. Pwede ba akong gumawa ng sarili kong can?
Okay.
O, sige.
Then pwede.
Gloves. I need a glove. Okay, now guys, I'm ready to crack my own. So, okay. Oh, may pang-kilo. Okay. So, hindi pwede mag-daya. Ilang kilo pwede?
73 grams, 73 grams.
73. Oh, ay! Sobrang.
Dagdag.
Wow, very sensitive ang weighing scale. 70. Yan?
Pandi pa. Pwedeng sobra. Okay.
Over to. Kasi guys, lalagyan pati ng sauce. Konti pa.
Konti pa. Okay.
So, okay. Eto, iuwi ko pa. I'll bring this home. So, okay, let's go. So, okay, akin to. Pero kailangan pala, i-pre-cook pa sa lalagyan ko ng sauce. So, I'll wait from the end of the line. End of the tunnel. Okay. So, here. Uy! Ang dami! Nasaan yung sa akin dyan? Tulang yung sa akin. Nasaan? Wala na, Roko. Ate, alam mo ba kung nasan yung dalawa kong ginawa? Nandun? Makahanap mo? Gusto kong iuwin. Wow, mainit yan. Mainit. Mahihintay namin yung 2 packs ko. So, Alvin, so ito, yung ano na, what process na to?
After this, nasa sauce filling na tayo.
Sauce filling. Manual.
No, gravity, through gravity sa
Oh, wow. Okay, ayan, may sauce na. Wow. So guys, look at the process. Talagang ang linis, no? So guys, okay. Let's go dun sa dalawang kanto. Feeling ko tapos na siya. Let's go! Oh guys, what's this? Nagsishower yung mga lata.
Oh yes, kailangan natin linisin kasi yung lata. May
oil. So guys, nagsishampoo pa yung mga cans, no? Pero what's this?
Sample kasi yan, sinecheck namin yung integrity ng lata kung tama yung pagka-stream niya.
Oh, so mga sample. So they open it pa para i-test, para i-double check.
Sinecheck kasi namin yung parameters ng lata na safe talaga siya.
Oh,
properly closed.
if properly closed, so nag-check sila ng parameters ng lata kung talagang sealed. Okay, nasaan na yung 2 cans ko na ginawa? Oh guys, ang dami! I cannot find my 2 cans na. Will be totally separated from them. So guys, lost in translation na. And by the way, ito na ba yung last, Alder?
Oh, hindi pa. Kailangan pa natin siya lutuin sa final, final stage, sa retorting.
So, meron pa. We're not done yet. Pero after that, pwede ba bumalik na ako sa office? It's so hot na. Now I want to eat my food. Let's go. Okay. Guys, may baha. May buhat. So, okay.
Another pa.
Okay. We're done. Okay, finish na?
Pwede nga tayo naman dito. Dito yung labeling area na lang.
Okay, may labeling area. Wow, look. Oh my God. Sea of mackerel. Nasaan na yung 2 cans ko? Wala na. Totally gone yung 2 cans ko. Wow, meron ng label. Oh, guys. Oh, look. Guys, okay. Paglabas, it's this one na. Pwede na to? Guys, look. After so many process, it's Unipack mackerel. Ready to eat, guys. Magpapakarton na ako ng mga around 50 cartons. Iuwi namin. Okay, let's go. Mag-eat na ako ng food ko sa office. Gusto ko na mag-aircon, guys. It's for fun! Pack na pack sa Unipack. Okay, guys. Oh, look. Oh my God, what's this? Of course, syempre, nasa lata ang self. Diba, guys? Buy na kayo. Ang sarap talaga. I'll continue eating my, yung sinergery ko kanina. So, let's go! Thank you! So guys, nakapag-freshen up na ako. Galing pa yun sa factory, di ba? Ang fresh. So guys, I found them and I'm eating it later. I'm bringing them home. And Jasper and Alvin, thank you so much for allowing me and touring me here sa factory. And ang dami ko natutunan. Thank you so much. Kahit biglaan lang.
You're always welcome dito sa factory namin.
Pwede everyday?
Anytime.
Anytime.
Para everyday.
Pero, wag mo na kami ambush kasi nagulat ko.
Nagulat. So guys, nagulat sila kasi chill day ko today and I have nothing to do kaya I'm here. Siyempre, mangingialam lang. And guys, na-stress si Jasper kasi tinikom ko yung dapat merienda nila sa meeting. So, hindi sila nakamiting ng mabuti. So, tomorrow nila ika-continue. Pero guys, look, ayan, ikalat na sa buong store ng Metro Manila and the whole Philippines. Ay, ang cute. So, okay, thank you again. And of course, guys, try nyo. Ang sarap yung spicy, favorite ko. Lalo na pag sa sandwich, yung ginagawa ni Lot. So, guys, try nyo na. The new flakes in town, Unipack Mackerel Flakes in Oil and Hot and Spicy. So, thank you, Alvin and Jasper. And okay, I'm gonna go home now with this kasi I'll eat this pa. Bye!
Bye!
Okay, let's go! Bye, see you later. Lot, iuwi mo na lahat. Yung pwede nating hakutin. Okay, let's go. Oh, wala na tao. Hey guys, thanks for watching my vlog. If you want to watch more videos, click here. And if you want to watch more videos, click here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!